Assalamualaikum. Good morning, class. Good morning, sir. So, I am your teacher for today. Teacher Abdullah. You can call me Teacher Abdullah. So, how are you today? Okay. Thank you, class. So, before we start, let's prayer muna. So, silent prayer. Okay. So, class, I will checking your attendance. So, see your, excuse me, see your favorite places if you are cold. So, Mr. Mr. Ali, are you here? Okay. Mr. Abdullah, sing with me. Okay. Now, class, Alhamdulillah, no one is absent for today. So, let's have an activity for today. So, ang activity natin is about kay Christine. So, si Christine ay nag-save ng 20 pesos on the first day. Then on the second day, nag-save siya ng 40 pesos. On the third day, 40 pesos, 40 pesos. On the third day, nag-save siya ng 80. So, class, ano yung sa 10th day niya, ilan yung mas-save niya? So, kung titingnan natin, class, so nag-save si Christine ng 20 on the first day, 40, 80. So, ang tanong, ilan yung masisave niya on the 10th day? Dito. Ilan yung masisave niya dito? So, as you can see, di ba, 20, 40, 80, 160. 160 dito. So, parang ita-times mo lang ng 2. 2 times 20 is equals to 40. Times 20 is equals to 80. Times 2 is equals to 160. So, ano yung sunod? So, 160 times 2 is 220. 220. 220 times 2 is 4. 40 and so on. So, ano yung napansin nyo dun sa pag-save ni Christine ng kanyang allowance? So, illustrating geometric sequence. Yes, illustrating geometric sequence. So, paano natin nalaman yung ating itong 40, 80, 160, di ba? Times natin sa 2. So, yan yung ating constant na 2. Lahat yan ita-times ng 2. So now class, based on our activity, then do you have idea in our lesson for today? So yes, geometric sequence, parang sequence. So a sequence. Ano yung tinatawag natin na geometric sequence? A geometric sequence x sub 1, x sub 2, a sequence x sub 1, x sub 2 to the x sub n, such that any term after the first can be obtained by the multiplying the preceding term. So, by a constant is called the geometric sequence. So, yun yung definition ng ating topic. So, the geometric sequence. So, okay. Yung tinatawag naman natin, the constant multiplier is so-called the common ratio. So, ito yung common ratio. So, the formula ng ating common ratio is denoted by R is equals to x sub n over x sub 2 minus 1. So, laging tandaan ang kapag kukuha ka ng common ratio, ito yung gagamitin natin na formula. R is equals to x sub n over 1 o 2. So, diba? So, in general term, the first term is x plus 1, right? Ito yung first. Second term is x squared is equals to x times x1 times r para makuha yung second term natin. Yan yung gagamitin. So, until sa preceding number. So, gagamitin na formula. Yung gagamitin natin na formula para makuha yung mga malalaking number sa ating problem is xn is equals to x1 times r and yan yung gagamitin natin na formula. Ito. Yan. So class, let's have an example. So, find the 14th term of the geometric 14th term. Ito yung hanapin of the geometric sequence of 8, 4, 2, 1. So, ano yung magiging 14th term ng ito? 8, 4, 2, 1, 8, 4, 2, 1, blah, blah, blah. And so on. So, first is kukunin natin yung ating common ratio para makuha natin yung 14th term at saka para rin magamit natin yung ating formula na xn is equals to x1 times raised to the power of n minus 1. So, di ba yan yung ating formula. So, ano yung ating common ratio? So, ating common ratio is xn is equals to r common ratio, then is equals to xn over n minus over x sub n minus 1. So, ano yung ating common ratio dito? So, ito yung ating given na question. So, kunin mo natin yung ating common ratio. So, r is equals to x. Ano yung xn natin? Di ba? 14. So, 4, 8, So, 8. 8 yung ating dito. So, next one is ano yung proceeding natin dito sa ating common ratio, di ba? Yung second term. Second term natin. So, na magiging 4. Right? So, ito yung ating given na question. So, hanapin natin is yung 14. So, 14 terms. So, first is gagamit tayo ng common ratio. So, common ratio natin is XR is equals to X to X sub 2 over X sub 1. So, para makuha natin yung common ratio. So, let us substitute. So, ano yung X sub 2 natin? Di ba 4? 4 siya. Then, 4. Then, yung X sub 1 natin is 8. So, simplify this word. So, ano yung number na makakadivide sa 4 over 8? Di ba 4? Pwede siya. So, 4. 4 divide 4 and 8 divide by 4 is equals to 1/2. So, ang ating common ratio is 1/2. So, now, gagamitin na natin ang ating tinatawag na formula na x in is equals to x sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. So, substitute na natin ang ating mga number. So, ang ating xn is 14. Right? 14. So, x 14. Yan. So, next one is, ano yung x sub 1 natin? X sub 1 is 8. Ito, 8. Times, ano yung r? Di ba yung ratio natin is 1/2. So, 1/2. Over yung dito, yung n is 14 minus 1. So, let's solve. First is, i-minus muna natin yung 14 minus 1, magiging 8 times quantity of 13. So, di ba yan? Okay. So, di ba alam niyo yung PEMDAS, no? So, unahin muna natin is itong may power. So, 8. Ito is 1. Then, ito is di ba 13 to. So, i-reciprocal lang natin. So, magiging 8 times 2 negative 13. So, negative 13. So, next one na gagamitin technique natin or gagawin natin is ano yung squared, yung power, yung dito, yung ganito na pwede sa 8. So, diba? 2 times 3. Diba? 3. Diba? 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 8. So, okay. 2 times 13. Since magkapareho naman yung kanilang number na 2, gagamitin natin yung law of exponent na once na magkapareho, then minus or subtract. natin. So, or addition. So, 2. 2 minus 3 over 10. 3. 13. So, ang magiging result natin is 2 over negative raised to the power of negative 10. So, i-answer natin na. I-answer na natin yan. So, magiging 1 over 10, 24. Right? Kasi, once na para ma-cancel, mawala itong negative dito, ginawa natin siyang fraction. So, naging 1 over 10, 1024. Kung hindi siya kung hindi natin siya magakuhan, is negative pa rin yung answer. So, that is the answer for the 14th term ng ating problem. So, class, naintindihan ba, class? Okay. Thank you naman, class. So, let's have an quiz. So, get your yellow paper para sa ating quiz. Then, show your solution. So, alisin ko na to. Okay, class. Tapos na kayo sa class. Then, let's have. So, isusulat ko na lang mamaya yung ating class assignment para maipasa sa next meeting natin. So, you can dismiss now.